Aloha, and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today we'll be preparing for you cup noodle fried rice. Place the dry cup noodles into a zip-top bag and crush into pieces about ½ inch thick in size. Reserve the cup for serving. In a sauté pan over high heat, combine the crushed noodles and water, stirring until the noodles absorb all the liquid. Set aside. Heat another sauté pan over high heat and add oil. Pour in the beaten egg, then add cooked rice, shoyu, and garlic chili paste. Mix well until combined. Add the cooked noodles and continue mixing until evenly incorporated. Place the chopped green onions into the reserved cup. Pack in the noodle fried rice mixture tightly into the cup, then invert onto a plate for serving. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.